Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. Welcome to another Think About It session. Right, this one is a little bit different. First of all, I'm not in my car. Yay! A lot of people have asked me why, why these sessions in the car. Anyway, right. So the second reason for this video is a lot of people have been asking me, how do you use Canva, or how do you use how do you create your presentation slides? So now here we go. What you see over here is Canva. It's an excellent tool for creating, infographics, let it be presentations and so on. And yeah, I love it so much. I've recently started using it. It's an excellent tool. Okay, all right. So what you see over here is I'm on the first page, and I'll show you how to create your presentations. So here you go. What you see over here is there are different types of designs you can create. So we'll go with presentation. It opens a new page. It's just like your PPT, your MS Office presentation, but a little bit different, yeah, I would say a little different interface, and you got to be careful because I've done something recently which I had to go back and change it. It definitely took a lot of time. Right, you got to be a little bit careful with this. Okay, I'll just show you the panel. Let's go through the panel. That's home. As soon as you click it, you'll go back to the canva.com file. It saves your changes automatically, but just in case, you just click it. You can make a copy, download, change margins, okay, resize, custom. You can put your own custom dimensions there. I just leave it as it is, right? And then yeah, you can change the name of your slide, your presentation there. So I'll just call it test 1. Yeah, okay, right. You see this present button. You can use Canva itself to present, which is recommended by Canva, or you can download it. It downloads as a JPG or PNG file, image or something. And I've not tried the others. I've tried which I'll show you today, PowerPoint. It's a better version, so I mean, it's okay. It's a little, I think what happens is some of the fonts are not saved. Some of the rich fonts by Canva are not really exported properly to PPT. So yeah, but it's good. It's good. I've used it. So right, coming back to how to create the slides. Okay, so let's choose the first one. So I'm just going to show you a few. I don't want the video to be more than 2 minutes. Okay, right, quickly click. You will see all these slides. So the first thing what I do is, as a best practice, is how many slides do you need? For example, you need 5 slides. So what you can do is, let's select the first one, click. That's my main title page, title slide. So I'll say 1, add 2, add 3, add 4, add 5. So basically I have 5 slides. So now you have a choice. So the first one is this, and the second one can be any one of them. You got to be careful, right? You got to click on the second one, because what happens is, I was working on this one without realizing. I clicked, and as soon as I clicked, it changed. Okay, so my first slide is gone. So I started working on it, then again I changed. So basically I've changed it 3 times. I couldn't go back, and it was, it was just a hassle for me to do the presentation PPT again. So okay, so we'll go back. This is my first slide. You go to the second one. So click on your second slide, third, fourth, for example, and the last one, fifth, or whatsoever. Okay, all right. Now, these are the 5, right? The reason I want to show you the last one is, if you don't want to use these images, or if you don't want to use this format, you can even go to the next set of presentation. Like, for example, clicking on the secret of contentment, right? Okay, the last one, imagine I like this one. So there you go. So what I did was, I have a set from 1 PPT, and then I've changed the last one into something else. I mean, it's up to you. You can play with it. Right now, I'll just go through quickly on the panel on the left, right? So what happens is, imagine if you want to change something. This is the template. These are the templates basically. okay, for the presentation. So everything you want to do, like for example, if you want to create infographics, you will have templates as well. So photos, you can choose photos, but if you don't want to pay for these photos, there are a couple of them free, so click on that free icon, so you will see only the free images you can use or pictures you can use. Then you have elements, the same thing, click on free, you will see all the recently used charts, grids. I mean, there's so much icons, social media and so on. I mean, I love this section. I just love it. Okay, the text, change, your fonts, different fonts and so on. Backgrounds you can change. Uploads, I have a couple of uploads, like for example this one over here. I used my iPad, I've scribbled something down and I put that into Canva. Or if you remember, I posted something on organic organization. So what I did, I put that in my iPad and imported it down here, and you can play with these images. They become like assets for you. Again, your mind maps and so on. Right, and folders, I have folders. Something I like, I've dumped it, like logos. I've put the logos I use for my infographics, like I've uploaded here. It's like an asset, it's there for me, so I don't have to keep on uploading all the time. So it's like sort of an inventory box, so I leave it there. So click and there you go, I have my logo there. Right, and what else? Right, click on it. I have folder for percentages, so I don't have to keep looking for it. So whatever I find, I've just dumped it here. So click on it, I have percentages, I just use that as a percentage. So if you don't want to, just delete and so on. Okay, right, say like I want to show you how to change the picture, which is really good. So what you do, drag and drop, easy peasy. Right, drag and drop. Okay, I'll show you again. Take the picture, bring it to another picture, drag and drop, and voila, changed it. Okay, right, and imagine you want to bring in elements, you want to put up IT or computer. So just search for computer and you will see an image. Click, there you go, it's just beautiful. Okay, rotate. Yep, and sometimes it even gives you, it's not given in this, I'll just show you maybe color wise as well. Sometimes you can change the colors as well, so that's also good. You can blend in. Sometimes I change the colors for these pictures. These ones are not allowing me to do that. Sometimes when you use there you go, I can show you this as an example. See the format, there are three colors, so I can click on it and change the colors. So let's see if I want this to be same as the slide at the back. Look, nice, sort of a uniform color pattern you can choose from. Yeah, this is how you do it. And lastly, how do you save it? Click PowerPoint, download. So it Canva turns your presentation into a PPT. Open up, and there you have it. Right, quick, amazing PPTs using Canva. Thank you very much. That is it. See ya. Take care.